Hey everyone, I'm just popping in real quick to give you a little announcement about an update on my website. So if you have checked out my pattern kits, you might already be familiar with the option to change the fit of a sleeve on the upper arm. And you have 3 or sometimes 4 options for that. A very narrow sleeve up to an extra wide sleeve, and this works by changing the sleeve cap height. So a very tall sleeve cap results in a very narrow, slim sleeve, and condensed sleeve cap results in a wide sleeve. So the outer length of a sleeve cap is the same every time. It's just distributed in a different way. And I am now bringing this option in a smaller scale to my regular patterns. So not all patterns get these options because sometimes it just don't make sense to change the sleeve fit. For example, with the gathered sleeves, doesn't make sense. Or sometimes the design just calls for a very specific type of sleeve, so you don't get these options in all patterns, but in a lot of patterns. So let's check out the daisy shirt, for example. Here you have 3 options. These are all the options you can get. And the first one is for very slim sleeve with a high sleeve cap. This is only suitable for very stretchy fabric. This is why you basically only get this option in the daisy shirt. Then you have a medium high, medium wide sleeve and a wide sleeve with a very condensed sleeve cap. And you can simply click on the option you want and go from there. Now, please keep in mind the measurement of the upper arm scope is not taken into account when creating these inset sleeves. This measurement is asked from you, but it is only used in the all-in-one sleeves. So the sleeves are calculated for an existing armhole rather than an existing arm, basically. So if you notice the sleeve you tried out is a little bit too tight, then you might want to simply try out a wider sleeve. This is the background for this. So should I tell you something more about this? Well, yes. If these options are not enough for you, please remember there's also a dedicated sleeve pattern kit. So you can basically take any pattern, does not have to be one of mine, and take some measurements from your arm and from the sleeve hole, and then you can create a sleeve to your likings for basically every pattern which is designed to have a satin sleeve. So I hope this will be of some help for you, and I also hope I will see you soon in my next video, which will hopefully then be a sewing video again. Bye bye!